Hi, in this video I'm just going to do a really quick run through of the screen you're going to see when you're editing your logo design from Papier Rosé. Basically, when you first make an order, either on my website or via Etsy, you will get an email sent automatically to the email address that you have on file with Etsy or you have given through the website order. That will be sent by Corjl, and you should receive that in within 10 to 15 minutes of making your order. If you haven't received it in that time, then check out your spam mail folder because sometimes they make their way in there. When you receive that email, there will be a link in there which you click on, and that will take you to the browser editing screen for Corjl. You'll need to put in a few details. That's just so you can then access your design again if you want to re-edit or re-download at a later date. And then once you've popped those details in, you will then see a screen that looks like this. So first of all, you'll have my quick tour guide, which I've put together. This is just a really quick way of showing you just a few things like how to change the font, how to change the color, how to style the image, things like that. So just have a quick read through that before you start editing, because it will help you out. And then over on the left here, you've got your designs, and it will either be one logo design or several elements down here if you bought a kit. So just click on one of those and then you can begin editing. I'd just like to say first of all that if you do any bit of editing which you're not happy with, then this button here will be your best friend. So say you changed the font to something you didn't like, this undo button will undo that. You can click it numerous times to go back as far as you want. So over here above that undo button, you can edit the background of your logo, so you can change the colour. So say if you wanted to have a black background, a white background, or if you wanted to have a transparent background. That's the one that I keep on automatically because people like to download their logos in not only JPEG, which has a white background, but a PNG format logo that has a transparent background, and so that makes it brilliant for overlaying onto images or coloured backgrounds, and people use it for watermarking of their images. So that's a good thing to remember, is the PNG file format when you come to download. Okay, so over here is a couple more options as well. So you can add another text box if you'd like to add more text to the design. And there's also an option here to add a new image to the design. So you can add your own image if you want to. If you have bought a logo design, I do a few logo designs where I've done some pre-installed different colour options. So if you've bought one of those logos with the different colour options, then the different colour options will be available in this add new image folder here. And then you'll be able to just click on one of those to add it, and then you can delete the pre-existing one that you've got there using the little bin icon. This is the layers palette down here, which will probably be like this when you first open the Corjl screen. So you just need to click on this little down arrow here to open it, and you will see all of the different layers here. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can edit the text so that it's your own brand name, and I'll also show you a few other things such as changing the colour of the text, changing the font and things like that.